How to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. So if you're doing that, you can follow up the steps. First of all, open up your Facebook app. So the thing is, while Facebook does not offer a feature to completely prevent screenshots, it can take these steps to make it more difficult and potentially deter someone from taking them. So for that, you can head over to your profile, tap on the menu in order to do so. And from here, you can directly head over to your profile, tap on it. And then once you tap on your profile, you will be finding this. So what you can do is you can enable profile picture guard, which will add a shield to your profile picture and restrict the ability to screenshot it. So you can head over to the three dot right beside your profile, tap on it. And from here, you can look out for this option of lock profile and tap on it. And once tap on it, you can tap confirm this lock your profile option. And once you do that, once it is confirmed, only your friends will be able to see your post and everything. Apart from that, if anybody tries to see your Facebook account from the outside, they won't be having any kind of access, including your profile picture as well. So they need to be friends with you in order to do so. So you can just go ahead and save the changes in order to do so, and that will prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook very easily. So that is it. It is a very easy method you can follow up in order to prevent someone from taking screenshots. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.